Exercise 35. Write a program that has a list of strings, like the list of animal names above, and adds up the total number of letters in the names of the animals. For example, if the animals are dog and horse, then the total is 8 letters. Okay. So let's copy that list of animals or animal names. Then again we use a for loop for animal in my animals. Okay, so we need to find out how many letters are in each animal name. So letters equals, and we do that using the len function. So the length of what? The len of animal. Okay, then we want to find out the total. So first of all, we need to have created a total variable here. Total letters equals 0 to start with. Then after we find out the length of each animal name, we add that here. Okay, so at the end we can print the total. Okay, so in this case we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 plus 4 is 21. So we expect 21. So if we run this, it tells us 21. Okay. Alright, thank you for watching. Please sign up for our Python lessons at ondevs.com. Please like, please share, please subscribe.